Hi guys, welcome to This and That Cook Store. Today I'm cooking chickpeas for dinner, and I am doing the first part of the process, which is to put it to soak, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I have the chickpeas cooking right now. It's almost done because it's soaked for a long time. So I have finished cooking the chickpeas and I've drained it. And I have some seasoning here: onions, tomato, red and yellow bell pepper, and some jalapeno peppers. So I'm going to combine everything into a one-pot meal. I have some parboiled rice here too. I'm putting a half a teaspoon of my Ocho Rios seasoning. I'm putting in Stonewall salt-free seasoning. I'm putting in some onion powder. I'm putting in some garlic powder. And I'm putting in some allspice. Also some crushed red pepper. I'm going to let this saute for a couple more minutes, binding my parboiled rice and also the chickpeas. Now I'm going to mix everything together, and I'm going to have it saute for a few more minutes until the rice is cooked. I haven't fully cooked it, I parboiled it, so I'm going to let this saute for a few more minutes. And then I'm going to put a few pieces of cauliflower in. So I've put in a few pieces of cauliflower. And the last thing I'm going to be putting in are a few pieces of, a few leaves of spinach and some purple onions. So I'm giving this 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to put those in. I'll put the lettuce in. Now I'm going to cover it for a few more minutes. Then I can put the onion in and stir in the lettuce, it's spinach, I'm sorry. I put the spinach in. Okay, stirring the spinach in. And I put the onions on top in a little bit. Okay, I'm now scattering the purple onions all over. And I'm gonna stir this in as well. we're gonna cover this and give it 2 more minutes. Okay, this is all done. Now I'm gonna turn it off. Beautiful sight. Okay, I'm getting ready to taste this goodie. Okay.